Alright guys, welcome back. So this completes the triptych that I've been working on. The two on the outside are 10 by 20s and the one on the inside is a 16 by 20. So if you don't mind guys, let me know in the comments section if you think that this goes together. The middle one is extremely loud and vibrant, so it's kind of throwing me off. It'd be nice to get your opinions on it. And I'm going to just put these two to music. I hope you don't mind. You can mute it if you want. But if you want to see specific details of how I made these pieces, pretty much all the layering and everything is in this video right here that I posted 2 days ago. So I'll post that link right here now. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Last time I checked, I was at 840 subscribers. Thanks so much, you guys. I can't tell you how grateful I am to have you here watching me. And as always, your feedback is always appreciated. So if there's something I do that you like or don't like or want to see or don't want to see, please let me know. And I will do my best to accommodate everybody. So, all right, let's do it. Thanks for watching. Here we go for round two. This is a 16 by 20. This is going to be the centerpiece of the triptych. I'm sure you guys know by now I'm all about triptychs. I think it's a lot easier to ship 3 pretty good sized paintings as opposed to one big one. Same colors. And then I did mix this color. This is like a red oxide copper mixture. And I eliminated it. You know what I mean. I eliminated it last night and I decided to bring it back today. The primary red I only used a little bit of, and I'm going to add a little more. Silicone, it's in everything except the cream yellow, the gold, and the primary red. I only put 1 drop in the red mix. So, but everything else started off with 2 drops and I never added anything else to it. Oh my gosh. This is like Rainbow Bright World right here. That was my time. I feel like maybe I should. Nope. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna allow myself to do that. That's just really cool. If I can get a painting just like that, I would just go crazy. So now I don't know if this is going to turn into a triptych or not, because this is definitely different than the other one. Maybe. I mean, I'll have to hold them side by side to tell for sure. Round 3, here we go. Look at that. This yellow is coming up the center of the cells. That is so cool. And this is all gonna darken too, which makes it even more awesome. The burnt sienna pretty much sank again, just like the other one. So I think this will make it officially a really nice triptych. That looks like a little jellyfish, doesn't it? Kind of like. Oh man. I am really, really excited about this one. There you have it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.